Hi, I'm Jay Tyler. In this video, I'm going to attempt to bend a labial bow in less than 3 minutes. Now, the reason I'm doing this is just to show you that you don't have to spend a lot of time bending the labial bow. What I do is, in most cases, I'll just bend the basic form and then all those little nuance bends, like making sure it's tight up against the labial surface, maybe lateral offsets or maybe cuspid offsets, doing all those things at the end once the wire is in acrylic, after the appliance is totally finished. So I'm going to bend just the basic form of the labial bow in hopefully less than 3 minutes. And let me show you how to do that. Alright, so I've got my model, I've got my wire and my stopwatch. Let's just go ahead and get started here. This is how I bend the labial bow. Different people have different ways of doing it. I'm just wanting to bend it really fast, get it done. I'll make all those nuance bends at the end. Now, if you don't know how to make a retainer, check out our website, ortholabvideos.com. I've got a course there for beginners and a 2-hour DVD that shows you step by step how to make upper and lower retainers with all kinds of clasps and different designs and variations. Okay, that side's pretty good. I'll come around over here. Now I don't care if I have it smiley faced or frowny faced, whatever, I just want it straight across. I'll make those adjustments at the end. Alright, so I want it to be passive, nice and passive. I don't want it to have any spring to it. Okay, I'm done. Let me stop it. Oh, look at that. 2 minutes and about 46 seconds there. So let me see. Okay, it is straight across. My loops are about the same. Now I'm way out, sticking way out, but there again, I'm not going to worry about that. I will do that. I can do that much quicker at the end. Once this is all anchored in acrylic, it'll be a lot easier to do. But there's the basic design. I'll go ahead and finish it up, and then I'll show you how to make those final adjustments. All right, here's the finished retainer, and let's just look at it. I got this loop a little too far away from the tissue, and the bow is sticking away too far. That's pretty good over here. Kind of got a bit of a kind of a frowny face this way, kind of a smiley face this way, depending on how you look at it. Just a little bit, not too bad. So this needs to come back in. So I'm going to make the adjustments. Also, I'm going to just push it in, and once I push it in, let's just look at it. Okay, now this lateral right here, the mesial is rotated out labially just a little bit. So I'm not going to, if that just touches the lateral and misses the central a little bit, or if it touches both of them, that's fine. I'm just going to leave that like it is. Now over here, that lateral is offset, so I'll do a lateral offset bend over here and tuck this in right there. So let's just do that. In fact, I'm going to start this where it left off here. Okay, let's just see how long this takes. Okay. First, I'm going to just close these loops up just a little bit. Okay, that's got it in pretty good shape. Right here, I'm going to do a lateral offset bend. I'm going to put 3 marks. One right where it goes between the lateral and the central, and the other where it's going to touch the lateral. Okay, that turned out pretty well. I want to tuck this in over here, this loop in. Okay, so that loops in pretty good. That loops in pretty good. It's pretty straight across. It's touching the teeth. All right, let's stop it. So I spent altogether on the labial bow 3 minutes, 44 seconds, and and 0.49. So 3 minutes and 45 seconds. And that is all I'm going to do to the labial bow. So that's it. We'll see you next week.